In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change country on Amazon Prime Video. Now this will be a very quick and simple video, so make sure you watch this all the way to the end so you don't miss out on any important steps. Now in order to change our country, we must head over to the Amazon Prime Video website and we just want to log into our account. When we are logged into our account, we should be able to see this profile icon at the top, and when we hover over it, we can go over to where it says account and settings. Now from here, we can see our details section, and we just want to go over to the right hand side and then click edit on Amazon. And from here we can see some of the details about our account, but we just want to click on our name in the top corner. From here we get taken to this your account section, and we want to go down until it says digital content and devices, and then we want to look for content and devices, so click on that option. And from there we'll see a few different options at the top, but we just want to go over to preferences and click on that. And from there, the second option down will be country or region settings, so we can click to drop this down. And as you can see, my current country or region is UK, so we can change that by clicking here. And then we can simply enter in a new address in here, and when we update it, it will then be updated in our country or region settings, and then it will also be updated on Amazon Prime Video. So that's how you can change country on Amazon Prime Video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say it helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.